In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to enable and disable NumLock in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together on your keyboard, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So here, please proceed to the left pane and locate with the option which is called accessibility. So this accessibility is being composed of three categories, and these are vision, hearing, and interaction. And since we're dealing with the enabling and disabling of our numlock key, then by that we need to navigate to the keyboard where we can get to see the on-screen keyboard. So from here, navigate to the switch. You can see there this one, go with on, and then the moment you have turned it on, you would be able to open up the on-screen keyboard in a few seconds. Okay. So before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So here at the on-screen keyboard, okay, you need to navigate to this options, click on it. The moment small window called options. So in order to enable the numlock, all you need to do is you need to mark this checked, okay, and then click on OK. And in that way, you'll be able to enable the numlock. On the contrary, if you would like to disable that, all you need to do is you need to open your options again. You just have to uncheck this turn on numeric keypad, click on OK, and then that way you have just successfully disabled the numlock in your keyboard or Windows 11. So close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.